Okay, so since there are a lot of people working from home, lots of people like me were looking at how to use a Canon camera, if they have one, as a webcam. There's the EOS Utility and trying to do weird stuff with the live view, or there's the paid app Sparkocam, which is kind of trash and costs too much. Thankfully, Canon actually has a webcam beta. So just search Canon support. You'll see a drivers and downloads. Type in your camera. I'm using an M50. Then there's another drivers and download section, and then you will see right here EOS Webcam Utility Beta. So, yeah, it's actually fairly new. So go ahead and select, hit download. It will download a zip file that you'll want to unzip, and then you will get basically a little utility. Go ahead and install it, and then now when your camera is plugged in, it becomes a video option. So I'll show that in OBS. So in OBS here, we're just going to add a video capture device, blah blah blah, and you can see it's already picked up EOS Webcam Utility Beta. Go ahead and leave all of this just how it is. It's a beta, it's kind of wonky, but as you can see, there's now a webcam option, and we shall see if it's going to work today. But focusing works without all the boxes and funky stuff. So yeah, stop using Sparkocam. It's trash and it costs too much. Cheers.